more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
Would they want to hit a base hit? If they hit a base hit or a home run, sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we just want to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. Good morning, everybody. Kaylor here with Elite Trading, going over our trading levels for this morning, 9 a.m. pre-market. What are we looking at today? First on the list, BAC, Bank of America. You've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 3 hours of pullback on the 30-minute chart. That is 6 30-minute channels there, candles, whatever you want to call them. Get a little bit of a 50% retracement on this previous move down, and then watch shut down. And then let's see if we get down here to 45, possibly 45.24. And then if we really want to get in at a solid level and we get lucky and it gets down here, watch out, folks, because this one here could be a doozy. 44.50. If we can get down in that range, then that would be great. But if not, here's the true mark that looks like a possible setup. Somewhere right in this area. Stop loss would have to be super long, so it'd be scary. So this would be one you have to watch. It'd be real quick. Break that out of their highs. Let's just let that baby run. So let's see how that bad boy goes. BAC, target, break out of that 46.80 to the low side, 44.50. Let's see how that works. Tesla. Oh, what can we say about our baby Tesla? This thing is up $850. It went up a $50. You get yourself in on that over the last few weeks here, for even the 13th, 14th, 15th. Now we're on the 18th. If you would have got yourself in on this on Monday and ran a call option, you are getting paid today. Good luck, and I'm happy that you guys were able to make that move. Me, I was not on the Tesla train. It's been off my radar. I messed up. I was not a part of that move, this last move. Usually we are when Tesla does that, but I wasn't. If you are, drop it in the chat. Let us know if you were a Tesla winner or loser this week. Hopefully you were not shorting those bad boys. X Steel. Things are getting expensive in the steel market. We had the trade where we thought it would break. It was right here. We needed it to bounce. It did not bounce. It broke. And then you got your trade to the downside. So what does that look like? Right here. Get rid of this one here. You've got it. Look at that. Target acquired. There's your play. If you were on the reverse side, you made your money. You got in. You got out. Good job on X. Ford. Our group member, we'll leave him the artist formerly known as of right now, but he wants this thing under 15, but he is bullish in the long term, so he's selling calls and buying calls for the long term. What's your call on Ford? What do you think Ford will be at the end of January 31st, 2023? 2022. Next year. 2023 is where I would want to be, but where do you think in the next few months it's going to be? Is it going to be under 15 or over 15? Drop it in the chat if you're listening. Hit that like as you go along. Why not? It doesn't hurt anybody. It just helps. Hit that like button. PLAY. Because I gotta. Move to the downside, guys. Watch this one hit 36. 35.90. and then possibly 30. So yeah, 36 is your level for old Dave and Boosters. Christian Cruz, thanks for the follow. Love that. Appreciate you. EDU called this one live. Put it out there for you at $1.80. $2.39 at this point. $1.80. Why did I like $1.80? Look at that. That's why. $1.80. Never even came back and scared you a little bit here, but from there on, you're in an uptrend. The trend is your friend. Watch for 250. If it does break towards it and it doesn't hit it, you could come back down here and do a 50% retracement back to like 210. So watch out. But education stock plays in China. Why not? Why should we not look at them? So hit that like I said. Let me know what you're thinking in the chat. What stocks are you watching? What's your trading experience? Are you new? Have you been doing this for a long time? Etc., etc. GAN, we called this one out. We like it. Like GAN to the upside. Watching for 1350 for support here. And then boom, it's going to go up and hit you up to that 1750. 15 is a good level. So the levels I see are 1750 and 1250 for GAN for your downside risk, upside risk, long-term swing plays. SPY getting hit, taking the dip today. Buy the dip. Do we buy the dip? Because that's all they do is buy this dip at 443 and they rip it back up to 446 and they sell it back down. Why not? We should take a piece of SPY and see if we can get that dollar out of it today. So let's see if we can get SPY here at 443.81, trying to sell it to 444.20. Let's see how we do here. Alrighty then. We'll be on at 1 p.m. Wednesday. Benzinga. I'll have an hour on their show, giving me a chance to show what Elite Trading has to offer. We're going to be on there every Wednesday for 1 hour, doing basically something like this, a little more advanced, taking some chat conversations. You know, if you have any questions beforehand, you can always reach out to me personally and say, hey, this is something I'd like for you to go over. I'd love for that. So reach out if you guys have anything that you'd like to see. And we appreciate you guys helping out. So look forward to seeing you guys there as well. AMC, GME. Oops. GME. Wham bam, look at that one. GME looking like it's wanting to make a move to the upside, 187.50 or down to 175. That's all we got today, folks. But today, it's going to be the beginning of a new thing. We got new stuff coming for you, and I appreciate you guys. Stay green, stay blessed, keep watching. Give us ideas. What do you want to see more of? I wish you were in the chats so I could have more conversations with you guys and could go over these things that you're wanting to live with you. So appreciate you and keep on coming in here every morning, every day. We do this for you for free. Why? Why do we do this? Because I just want you to learn a little bit about trading. We don't want to tell you where to buy stocks. We're not telling you what to buy. What we're telling you is strictly opinions. It's for informational services only. We're giving you the information that others may not give, or they might give it in a different way than we do, and we just want to give it to you like a real person sitting at home, watching the stocks, trading, and going from a beginning trader that I've never even traded a stock, barely opened an email, to now, I'm in a lot bigger conversations over the last few years, and we talk about everything when it comes to trading, technicals, fundamental analysis, understanding why the futures market was created, why do we have the futures market, what are ETFs, and how do they help us, how do we find trading levels, how do we find key supports and resistance levels in the market, what is order flow, what is price action, what is this stuff? That's the stuff that we wanted to learn. We wanted to learn things that they were being taught in school, while we were doing our other jobs, or even just, creating a company, or building other companies. We wanted to still be able to not just say, hey man, here's my money, invest it for me. I want to at least know a little bit about what's going on. So if you do too, continue to come watch, hit that like, get the subscription, and join us. My name is Jesse Kaler.